Good morning, Leo.
Good morning, Mia. It's a quiet weekend.
Kids are sitting quietly.
They look a bit bored today.
We should do something fun today.
Yes, something outside.
Maybe a place with nature.
That will be perfect. Let me check the computer. I will look for travel ideas.
I hope we find a nice place.
I am searching now. Mia, I found the perfect plan.
Tell me, Leo.
A trip to the jungle.
Wow, that sounds amazing. Kids need fresh air.
Yes, they spend too much time on screens.
Jungle will be good for them.
Nature can teach them many things.
Let's plan this trip carefully.
Yes, it will be fun and safe,
Kids will enjoy it.
especially seeing new things.
I will start packing. Clothes, water, snacks, and essentials.
I will pack safety items. We must be careful. I am reading jungle safety tips. We must respect animals.
Kids will follow our example.
We must guide them well. It's early morning now.
The air feels fresh.
The kids are ready.
Let's go.
The road looks peaceful.
Everyone is calm and happy.
I love this feeling.
Me too.
Look, we are near the jungle.
Everything looks greener.
Stay close together.
Yes, safety first.
Wow, so many tall trees.
The air is fresh.
The kids are watching quietly.
They will enjoy this. I hear birds singing.
The sound is calming.
No city noise.
Just peaceful nature. Let's walk slowly.
Every step is beautiful here.
Watch your steps.
The kids are learning silently.
Let's rest here for a while.
The view is lovely.
I feel so relaxed.
Me too.
Look at the butterflies.
And those small birds. Kids are watching quietly.
Nature teaches without words. Let's go a little deeper.
The path is safe.
Kids should stay close.
Yes, always. Sunlight looks soft through the trees.
The jungle looks magical.
Kids are observing quietly.
They are learning patience. Let's take some photos here.
These will be nice memories.
We will remember this trip forever.
Yes, kids will too. The sound of wind in the trees is calming.
Birds and insects create a melody.
Kids feel peaceful here.
Nature is teaching them slowly. Look, there's a small stream.
The water is so clear.
Kids are watching quietly.
This is beautiful.
Let's sit near the stream.
Kids can touch the water.
They are learning gently. Nature is teaching them slowly. Look at this old tree.
It is huge.
The kids are silent but curious.
They will remember this.
Birds are singing everywhere.
The melody is so nice.
Kids are enjoying silently. Jungle is peaceful. The sun is going down.
We should return soon.
Kids are calm and happy.
What a day.
The journey back feels calm.
Everyone enjoyed it.
Kids will remember this day.
And we will too.
We are back at the car.
Time went so fast.
Kids are tired but happy.
This trip was wonderful.
The kids are sleeping now.
They must be tired.
But this was a special day.
We will talk about it tomorrow.
We are home again.
What a beautiful day.
Kids will remember it silently.
And we made good memories too. This jungle trip was amazing.
Nature taught kids quietly.
And we spent real time together.
Memories that will stay forever.